Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create a trade URL for your Steam trading platform. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to your profile and inventory, trade offers, and then who can send me trade offers. And now you're gonna see the trade URL, and you can also create a new one. Creating a new URL will make your previous URL inactive, and any shared of post links will no longer work. Create a new URL and you just and you got it, right? So this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some support. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.